2020 was obviously a particularly tough year. We're likely to see, when the numbers finally printed, the global economy contracting about 3.5%. Albeit that's a lot better than what people anticipated in the middle part of the year, where the expectation was closer to a negative 6%. So the economy certainly has recovered already to some degree relative to expectations. When we looked at 2021 though, that's where we think the growth numbers for the global economy can be close to 6%. Now, a lot of that is coming through from very depressed growth numbers in Northern Europe and Northern America, and together with still strong momentum coming out of East Asia, we've got a very strong prospect of the best global growth number in many decades. Now, some of this is base effects, but some of this is just excess stimulus. We have the easiest financial conditions since really 2000, so for over 20 years. We have excess household savings, we have rising wealth, and together with commitments from many central banks, including the Fed, that they're going to be quite late to ever adjust policy, it's opening up the prospects of a very strong rebound. Now, fortunate for a country like Australia, which is very much tied into the global growth outlook, our bigger trading partners, notwithstanding trade disputes with China, are already moving back to pre-COVID levels in terms of economic activity. And yet the prospects for growth into 2021 for our major trading partners still look very good. So we certainly have that linkage into that strong global growth environment. What could go wrong? Well, there are things that could go wrong in terms of risk appetite that might shift momentum. There is base effects that we'll have to normalise as we move a little bit further out. But even looking beyond 2021, 2022 could still be a relatively strong global growth year. So we've got a good prospect of not just a 1 year strong growth number, but an 18-month to 2 year pretty solid global growth outlook.